Hi, good evening, good day. So this video will demo, I will demo the LemonLine. So it's a script that automate the following executions, reporting, execution reporting, compiling, and generating output, and also consolidating the parser field, which is part of QA. So in any programming language, so it's automated script execution on compiling and generating output for different programming. So currently, uh, I supported Python, supported Korn shell, Python 3, Scala, and shell. So, so I will introduce you to the folder structures. It's config, it's include all the environment variable with equivalent directory, date find format, C, parameter, read parameter, directory, report. So this is the environment variable that is used in the script. So I created this one as parameter file. Then date parameter, all date format that I use. So main directory, script folder, log directory, sum directory, and other directory. Then for files, this is a source file. As you can see, I create sample source file script or source file to Java class, to Java class, four Perl script, four Python script, and one Scala and PowerShell script. Okay. For lag, it's generated after executions, categorized by programming language. So output, it categorized by programming language. So it will result to one result file that compose all the execution summary, date, time, file path, and the result of the execution pass or fail. Then after that, report it will report an SML report generated by the script. It will be compose all the summary that of script execution pass or fail. Then the log, it will generate the output of the script. It will generate once a Python script compiled, a Python script execute, it will generate this in directory that as the output of the script. Okay, I run now. So this is the path folder. Automate, it should include the script folder, the source file. This is the source file. This one. So as you can see, it's run. So all files successfully. So and this one is for Scala should be filled. So I include this one because it will be filled because I'm currently in development for Scala. So we go back to the folder structure. We go to logs. So it's generated different programming language folder. So we go to Python. So it's generated log. So we go to log, open the text editor. So Python. Python test this is the output. So this is output, and you look this we verify the source file. We go to file, then we go to the generator of the log file is script name, then timestamp. So Python festival, this one. So drag, okay. User bin Python bar. So it means it will print this variable equivalent string. So this is the output after executing the script. It generate the output. It generate the output into log file. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the other language. Then bash script. So this one, 5, test file, test file 5. So this is the output of test 5 file. So we go to log and to files. This is script. So it will print var value Python test file 1 print var. So it means it is one test file 5. So this is the output. This is the script. This is the output after executed. It generated after the execution of LemonLine script. See? Okay. Let's go to other programming language. First shell. So 3 for test file 3. So this is the output of Perl test file 3. Then this is script. This one. So this is simple Perl script that I create. It will print the Perl test file 3. So this is the source file that run by executed by the lemon then this is the output. It generate the output on the separate log file. So this one is the output. So print for test file 3, then it will be the output. See, file name timestamp. Okay, okay. So at the output, it was out go to bash shell script. So this is result. The result is date, the the date of execution, which is today. Time of the execution, which is the 152102 in the file path. The file path will be directory of the script file or source file. Then after that, it will be evaluate your pass or fail. If pass, it will go to the pass folder. So this is pass because already has successfully compiled and generate the output to log file. If failed, it will not generate the uh, output. It will go to fail folder. Okay, since we then we go to Perl execution, same all pass. Then all Perl script as pass, right? Mhm. See, all in pass folder. So no failed script. Then we go to um, Python. We check result, all pass, running. So pass. So we check all. This is the source file. Then after running of the script, all these files are automatically evaluated to pass or fail. So it's the test script. I mean, it's the script that has parsed and completed compiled successfully and generate output and QA, so evaluation. Then after that, it will so like this one, all pass. Okay, then fail, no fail, right? Then Scala, Scala failed, is failed, no? Because it's because of the error environment or the class bound exception. Java not class bound exceptions. So it's a Java error environment. So the compiler does not exceed any environment or GTK that required for Scala. Then it will fail. So fail same time. So then no pass script, right? It should be on fail. Those files that included in this one, faster file. This is the source file that's come up from files because this all this script is executed by the LemonLine script. So that's all. So and for report, So for Korn shell, for shell lemon 9, so this is um, the full summary that you can send through email, trigger on uh, multiple email, or it will be open on any browser. So this is the full summary. So date, time running, file path, result, and what type of program names that execute. So Scala field versus field, right? Field, field. Okay. So it's run up to 2029 and file name, then field results. So okay, then name 19 Python. So all script fast, right? Time, date, time running, file name, result, and file name. Okay. So yeah, that's all. So this is the LemonLime script automations for all programming language. Now we have supported different time programming language. So Shell, Bash, Korn, Java, Python, Python 3, Perl, Scala. Shell, Bash, Korn, Java, Python 3, Perl, Scala. Okay, that's all. This is the actual logs. So they execute first Python script, shell script, Python, Perl, then Scala. So this script so I will disable this script will be automations of all compiling, executions, and QA, and generating output and reports execution summary of or script from different types of language. So it's a script automation execution. Thank you and good day.